Very simple and delicious American breakfast with fluffy pancakes, nice crispy edges. As you can see, it's nice and crispy on the edges, very soft on the inside with some syrup and powdered sugar, some nice crispy bacon. This bacon is perfect, and some perfect scrambled eggs seasoned with a little salt and a little black pepper. Very simple, very delicious. Yum, ain't nothing to it but to get into it. Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Anlex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B, and today, we only have one thing going on today, you guys. I'm making a classic American breakfast. So we're gonna have some fluffy pancakes. You read the caption, you saw the intro. Fluffy pancakes, delicious soft eggs, and bacon. Very simple, very quick, no topic today, so let's just get straight into the cook. And remember to grab a seat at the table, because around here, we go beyond the plate. All right. All right, hope you can see me good. Okay, you should be able to see me good. All right, so first we're gonna start with making the pancake batter. All right, we have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients first. And then after we mix the dry ingredients, we'll mix the wet ingredients and then combine them, all right? So 1.5 cup of flour, and then we have 3.5 tablespoons of baking powder. We have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We got 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we're gonna give that a whisk. How's everybody doing? I pray that you all have a blessed day so far, and I thank you to everyone who is tuned into this video, okay? It's Saturday. I'm making this on Saturday. Am I posting it today? I might be posting it today. We'll see. I'm gonna give that a good whisk so that everything is incorporated. I'm not a big breakfast person. So I was not going to make the pancakes. I go in my sister's room, Lexi's room. Kaden comes in there and she's like, oh, what happened to our pancakes and bacon? Girl. She's so spoiled, rotten, okay? Anyway, now we have, I have my recipe here that I'm following for these pancakes, and I'll include the recipe for you down in the description box. All right, we have 1 1/4 cups of milk. I don't know why I said it like that. But yeah, the girl told me something, don't forget our pancakes and bacon. No, ain't nobody tell she was getting no pancakes and bacon. So she was thinking about it from yesterday. All right, boom. 1 large egg. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm gonna go ahead and melt it a little bit in the microwave. All right, that is melted enough. Get that in there. And then we have 1 teaspoon or so of vanilla. I think I added a little extra vanilla. All right, then you're gonna give that a whisk.
Mommy, why are you not making me so tasty?
That's what I'm doing now.
Oh, never mind.
All right, so y'all, they act like I am a restaurant. Like I embody restaurant. They just make their order. He coming down here, Mom, where's my pancakes? It's crazy.
Yeah.
I know I did it to myself though. I did it to myself because I've labeled myself as the chef of the house, and that's how I'm treated. Okay?
I opened it.
That is how I'm treated.
Mommy.
Leave it, baby boy. Thank you for opening it. I'm not ready to use it yet. It has to be cooked.
Oh. I want to test it.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to mix in our wet mixture with our dry mixture. And mind you, this will be lumpy, and you want it lumpy. I learned that at my previous job, that you want it lumpy. I remember when I first started, I was whisking it and trying to get it to be super smooth. And the sous chef was like, no, baby girl. That's not how you get the pancakes fluffy. You gotta keep those lumps. That's how you make it fluffy. And I was like, oh. So, yeah. Okay. And that's good. Boom. So first we're gonna do the pancakes, and then after we do the pancakes, we're gonna get our eggs and our bacon done. The bacon, I've been making the bacon in the microwave. Actually, I actually learned that. So that's what we're gonna do. Now you don't have to do that. You could pop your bacon in the oven. You could pop your bacon in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in the microwave, all right? It's so simple. You just put it on paper towel, put the paper towel on top of a plate, put your bacon on there, pop it in the microwave. I think it cooks maybe 7 minutes. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. Let's get these pancakes done though. So I'm pouring 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. These are gonna be cute, small pancakes. They're gonna be adorable.
Yeah, I like pancakes.
You like pancakes, right? All right, so we got the pancakes on the stove, and then this is how you're gonna set up your plate with your paper towel, and then we're just gonna put the bacon on top like so. And then you just pop it in the microwave. I'll let you know how long I had it in the microwave for.
Oh, that was cool.
That was cool. So I'm gonna get that done, get the bacon done, and then we're gonna scramble these eggs, and boom, bada boom, 1, 2, 3. I'm also gonna make some powdered sugar too. All right, so let me show you how it looks when you take the, okay. And then it sucks up all the grease. That's what I really like about it. It sucks up all the grease when you do it that way. And it's so easy, out of sight, out of mind. And look at that. Ooh, got this pancake on. Look at that, nice and fluffy. Look at that. You see that there? Yeah, I know you see that there. All right, I'm gonna get more bacon in the microwave, and then we're gonna get these eggs scrambled and nice and like soft and buttery. And then that'll be it for our American classic breakfast. Be right back. All right, so now it's time for the powdered sugar. You just put some sugar. You're gonna just basically blend up the sugar. That's really it. All right, so I just added a little bit of sugar to this. This is my bullet, right? This a bullet? Magic bullet, yeah. Yeah, I don't know where my brain goes sometimes. Still making these pancakes. I've already served the familia. And of course, I always serve myself last because, you know, when you're the cook, you eat last. So sometimes you don't even eat until after everybody. Okay, so just blend it up. And that's how you make powdered sugar, baby. And I have my powdered sugar now to go on top of my pancakes. Ooh, ooh. All right, what do I have next? Oh, we're gonna make these scrambled eggs. Let's go. Okay, and now we're just gonna crack 3 large eggs. Give that a whisk. Okay. Eggs are done. Easy peasy. Who loves breakfast? Let me know down in the comments. I'm not a huge breakfast person, but I do like breakfast food. I just don't eat it very often at all. Yum. We got some syrup. And you can add on whatever things you want to add on. Blueberries, strawberries, caramelized bananas. Whatever is to your liking, you can add onto your pancakes. And then I'm just going to take some of the powdered sugar that we made just by blending it up. We're going to just dust that over the top like so. Our bacon on the side there. Add our eggs. And if you came to a diner out here in America, this is what you could get. Pancakes, bacon, eggs. Classic American breakfast. Yum, look how good that looks. Breakfast is complete. This is probably the first non-fusion thing I've done on the channel in a long time. Just a very simple American diner classic breakfast. Now let's give it a taste, shall we? Ooh. These eggs look perfect. These eggs are good. I have bought a pack of eggs where the flavor was very metallic. And the fact that this is made in the microwave and they come out perfect every time. And they come out flat. They don't get all shriveled up, which I love. And it's out of sight, out of mind. You can do the same thing in the air fryer as well. 7 minutes in the microwave for this bacon. I haven't had breakfast in a minute, so this is a treat. A very welcome treat, might I add. So good. Let's get into these pancakes. They're so fluffy. Look how fluffy and cute. I love mini pancakes. Love. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Top tier pancake. Top tier eggs. Top tier bacon. Yeah, let's make a little sandwich, shall we? Let me know what you guys eating for breakfast today. It's Saturday and I'm posting this on Saturday. I was gonna go live, but I didn't feel like it. Oh, shout out to Teresa. And shout out to MEB. I believe her name is Maria. And she does ASMR videos. Teresa does home design. Make me a little bacon and egg sandwich with pancake. Better than a McGriddle. Better than a McGriddle. All right, this is good. I need to come off this camera. Woo, this is so good. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love each and every one of you. God bless you guys. I hope you have an amazing, blessed, and peaceful, restful, or exciting, whatever kind of weekend you want to have. I pray that that is the weekend that you have. Remember to stay prayed up. Remember to give God all the praise and the glory. Love you guys and peace. It don't make no sense to taste like that. It really don't.